Well, one of the things I wanted to start off with was after I got out of corporate America late January, I said, I'm done. I want to find something fun. And I knew drones and I'm search and rescue. So I said, you know what? I'm going to think about something. I was looking at the drones, started investigating it. And, a lot of different schools are out there. But what I was looking for, and I think you guys nailed it in the first few hours of the first day, I knew I picked the right resource to help me. What I was trying to find is, how do I get into the industry by doing it legally, safely, and by code? And that's just the military. You could go anywhere and hear, oh, it's easy to fly a drone. I know how to do that. What I want to know is how the industry works from the standpoint of, I'm looking at the FAA, okay, and I was taking my pilot's license for a while flying, and then boom, lost this eye started to act up on me, and I can't fly by legal standpoint. So I said, let me see if I can find something else. So knowing how the FAA works, somewhat, I thought, let me find something. So as I started to filter out through the schools, this one came up, and I started doing more and more research and looking at some other previous testimonials, and said, all right, let me give you guys a shot. And when I came in immediately yesterday, it wasn't like, I'm going to show you how to fly the coolest drone, wait to see what I could do, dude. It was more, you're coming in the early stages, not necessarily infancy, but doggone close to it, right? That you're going to go to understand the steps in the breaking industry, and then finding your niche. And that was great. But then that marketing value, like we talked about yesterday with Diego, is he said, if I could have changed your mission statements now to reflect this, how would your business have done? Now, we went through marketing as well when we did our restaurants, but I only told them 35, 40%. It wasn't tooting my horn, but it was saying, at least we did something right. We thought we could probably get 40% more out of the business if we went his model. But after reflecting back and talking to my business partners who I was in business with last night, after we sold, they said, no, we probably would have done 75% better business following that model. So understanding that, when you own 13 pizzerias and Italian restaurants from New Jersey down to South Carolina, two of them in Raleigh, one was fully mine, the other was half, and then the other two Italian restaurants I helped design. So we were like, wow, that model would have worked so much better. So the guys that I was talking to, my family that I'm talking to, has nothing to do with my drone business. So I'm going to be able to take that knowledge and take that skill set and transfer it into what's in my brain, getting it out right, because I know what's in my head, nobody else can tap into. So knowing these questions now make better sense. Put yourself in the client's shoes has always been the right model. And, with search and rescue as a key for our business, we'll do real estate, we'll do mapping for, new properties and, perkable land, stuff like that. Sure. But I want people to know that we also offer a service. We're not here to take your money. We're here to get your kid.